Welcome! If you manage a group on Telegram Web and want to make sure other admins can't change your group's information, you're in the right place. With Telegram's latest updates, controlling admin permissions is easier than ever. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to prevent other admins from changing your group info using Telegram Web on your PC. First, open your browser and head over to Telegram Web. Once you're logged in, find and open the group where you're an admin. This is the group you want to secure. Next, look at the top of your chat window and click on the group's name. This will take you to the group's main info page, where you can see details about the group, its members, and more. Now spot the edit icon, which usually looks like a pencil, and click on it. This will open up the editing options for your group. From here, go into the Administrator section. You'll see a list of all the admins in your group. Find the admin whose permissions you want to adjust and click on their name. A menu will appear showing all the permissions that admin currently has. Look for the option labeled Change Group Info. This permission allows an admin to edit things like the group name, photo, and description. To prevent this admin from making changes, simply disable the Change Group Info option. Once you've toggled off that permission, don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial to make sure your changes take effect. By following these steps, you can control exactly who can update your group's information. This helps keep your group secure and ensures that only trusted admins can make important changes. Thanks for tuning in. Now you can confidently manage your Telegram group's permissions and keep your group info safe from unwanted edits.